Welcome to the world of Devas of Creation, now available on Roblox. Today, we're diving into the magical realm of flying mounts and how you can get your very own wing companion. Flying mounts are not just a fantasy, they offer unparalleled travel convenience and help you avoid enemies effortlessly. Currently, there are 3 types of flying mounts you can aim for. Picture yourself riding an undead eagle, a pterodactyl, or even a giant wasp. These creatures are not just mounts, they are your ticket to exploring the game world like never before. But here's the catch, getting a flying mount isn't just about finding one. You need to level them up and evolve them to unlock their full potential. The journey is challenging but incredibly rewarding. The best part? You don't need to spend Robux to get these mounts. You can earn them through a quest, making it accessible for everyone. Head over to Troll's Cliff Pass and speak to Orden Wraiths. He offers the quest Taming the Sky, which gives you a chance to earn a flying mount. The quest involves multiple stages, collecting boulder troll meat, glacier trolls meat, and more. It's a grind, but each step brings you closer to your dream mount. Once you complete the quest, you'll receive a chest with a 1% chance of containing an undead eagle, pterodactyl, or wasp. Don't worry, you can repeat the quest as many times as needed. So, are you ready to embark on this epic journey and claim your place in the skies? Keep grinding, keep dreaming, and soon, you'll be flying high. Devas of Creation awaits you.